All right, hello and welcome. This is going to be a demo on how to locate your files and how to put them up onto a free web hosting site. The one that I'm going to demonstrate today is Byet.host, but there are a lot of them out there. You can go to it by going to byet.host, and that will bring you to this page. So I'm going to go through the sign up process. They do have free hosting. When you do sign up for this, you do have to give them a real email address. Do not use your school email address because it will never come through. Their emails to you look a lot like spam, and often they do go into the spam folders for Yahoo and Gmail. Your subdomain name is going to be something that you type in as part of your URL. It can be anything. I don't recommend your S number. I don't recommend your real name. Just something like MGD 1041 Project 1 and a nickname or something like that. Your password, I don't recommend using anything very secure. Do not use the same password for this as you do anything else. Just make sure it's something stupid, because what'll happen is you won't get much traffic to the site and they'll delete it after a few days, but it will last you long enough for the class. For the email address, do put in a good email address. Yahoo or Gmail, either one will work. Site category, you can just put in personal. Site language, English. Their top secret security code there. I can't read that. I think that's a G. I think I can't tell. Well, we'll try regardless. Might be a C. Let's try a C. All right, so it's saying it's sending an activation email now. These are the things that it does not allow, that they do not allow. Wow. Um, so I'm watching my email in the other screen, and we'll continue once that's arrived. You'll get an email that tells you to click there to activate. It will very likely go to your spam filter. You may need to copy the link and then paste it into your browser instead. So it'll try to activate. Mine's still trying. Oh, I see. Okay, and when it comes up, it'll show you a screen and it will send you an email, but it'll show you a screen that looks like this. So these are important, and yours will be different from mine. The only things that you need out of this are the control panel or cPanel username, whatever password you chose, and the cPanel URL and the URL where the site is. All right, so I'm going to log into this. So I'm going to go to the cPanel here. I'm going to open this in a new browser tab. I'm going to get my username. Oh, come on, let me copy that. Okay, so here's the login. So you use this username that they sent you and type in the password that you created for it, and you log in. The first time it'll tell you about all of this stuff. You can either allow email alerts or not allow them. They don't tend to spam you. Okay. And then you load the panel. The only thing you're going to interact with here is the online file manager. That's the only thing you need to interact with. So you click on that. So this file manager, this is not where you upload your files. You have to go to htdocs. And keep in mind that this folder name, sometimes it's htdocs, sometimes it's public_HTML. There's a lot of variety. But for this one, it is htdocs. They do have an existing index2.html that will be overridden if you put in an index.html. Okay, so I'm going to go back to This is just something from my in-class courses that I was teaching. So this one, this is not called index.html, but we'll see how this works. So I'm sitting here, I'm working on it here. I can right click and I can go reveal in File Explorer. On a Mac, that'll say something different, but it's the same thing. Reveal in Finder, I think is what it says. So it pops it open here. All right. So here are my files. So what I need to do is I can go to, let's download. Where's upload? I think you can just drag it onto the entire page. Let's give that a try. Okay, let's see. Select both of those. Yes, you can. Okay, good. And both of them have uploaded successfully. Now, something that happens sometimes if I come here and I drag it over again, sometimes this stupid hosting site will sort of create double pages, meaning it'll have all of the code that's in this page, and then it'll have all the code again in the same file. So if you find that happening, what you want to do is you want to delete the old version that you have uploaded and then re-upload it again. So to actually look at these online then, I'm going to need this file name, the whole name. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to my website URL that's right here. And again, they'll email this to you too. Okay, and this is what's in that index2.html. If I paste the file name of the file that I just uploaded, this is actually the file that I just uploaded. So that's how you upload. That's how you can manipulate your files. You can even come here, you can right click and do all of these things to it. In general, if you wreck something here, just sign up for another account with another email, honestly. Don't upload anything that you don't want public facing to the whole internet. Generally, though, the whole internet is not going to pay any attention to your little website, not unless somehow it stays up for weeks and has something that would be interesting for people on it. Alrighty. So good luck.